All right, everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. If you saw my previous videos and my post on how to unlock an interior door if you're locked out, I'm doing a live session on it. We're using a bobby pin to jimmy the lock and open it. And what you see here, that is a zoomed in, a magnified image of inside the hole here, because your bobby pin is going to fit right inside that. Okay, this little piece right here goes right in there and unlocks it. So like this, and it unlocks it. So here we go. This is locked. This could be your bathroom door, your bedroom door. If you have any medicines in your bathroom, you need to get to it. Or if your kids are locked in and they're screaming, you don't have to kick down their door or break the lock. Really, you just grab a bobby pin. Okay? Sorry, I had to step away because I'm going to show you one thing. So where do you keep bobby pins here? Especially, you might be thinking, well, my bobby pins are inside the bathroom and I can't use a bobby pin because they're inside. Well, you want to place your bobby pins throughout the house. And for myself here, I actually keep bobby pins inside my wallet right here, just in case I need to use them. See that? I keep another one right here. And you can place bobby pins throughout your house. Junk drawers, you can keep them numerous places, but here's what you're going to do. Okay, so we're going to take this and it places right in. Remember, you're placing this tip of the bobby pin into that right there, and as it goes in, we're going to be twisting. So here we go. This is locked. And I just felt it turn, pull it out. There you go. Now you can enter or open it. So I'm going to do this several times as folks are joining. So I am going to lock this. There we go. I think that's locked. Yeah. Okay, so I just locked it. So now, sorry, I'm reading the blah, blah, blah. I'm reading all the comments in here. This is one of my first live sessions here, so I want to see who is actually joining. Okay. And let me test this. Here we go. Top viewers. Okay, we're going to start all over again. So, it is locked. Bobby pin. And what you want to do with the bobby pin is you want to bend each end of it 90 degrees. So you bend it just like that because that's your handle. Now you have a handle. And again, you're going to place it inside the hole here. These locks are purposely made for this. You're not breaking and entering. You're getting inside these rooms if you need to, but they're making it a little bit more difficult instead of being able to unlock it, with your hands. But bobby pins work just as well. And there, you're placing the bobby pin right there and you're twisting. So that is a zoomed in, magnified image of what is inside this particular lock, inside the hole there. And as I put this in, and then I twist, I just felt it there, you're good to go. Okay. So here we go. I am going to lock it. They're all locked. I'm reading some of these messages here. All right. And I guess TikTok is notifying everyone to join on this particular video. So I am just going to sit tight here. And as folks join, I will go ahead and continue. So again, what we're doing, I'm going to clear my throat here. Excuse me. If your bathroom door, your bedroom door is locked, if kids are inside there and they're screaming, they can't get out, or someone accidentally locked it and you have life-saving medicines you need to get to in there, here's a simple way to unlock this, and it's using a bobby pin. And from this bobby pin, just like my other videos, you want to bend each end 90 degrees up, 90 degrees down. And this is a magnified image of what inside the lock looks like here. So if this was your bobby pin, it's going in at the tip right here. It's just like that. Goes in and you twist. And it rotates the locking mechanism on the other side of the door and you're able to get in. Case in point, here we go. So you want to feel it. And you're feeling this tip right here, the tip, slide into that. Okay, I'm feeling it. Let me get my thumb out of the way. There you go. Okay, so now I felt it. And you're able to open it just like that. I think I'll turn on the light here. We get a nice backlight, even better here. There we go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, position the camera a little bit better for you all. Now I'm going to lock it from the outside here. Excuse me. Here we go. Okay, I just felt it turn. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I am all locked here now. So just like my other videos, how to unlock an interior door if it's locked utilizing a bobby pin. Okay. In a way, you're kind of picking the lock, but you're not doing it to break and enter. This is if this is locked and you have medicine inside, or if there's one of your kids or brothers or sisters inside screaming, you're like, how do I get in? Use a bobby pin. And if you keep your bobby pins inside here, that's the problem. There's another, tool you can use, paper clip, small screwdriver. But what I do is I keep bobby pins in my wallet. So you want to place bobby pins throughout your house. And this way, you always have these tools available. So here we go. Locked. That's the bobby pin. You want to bend it 90 degrees up, 90 degrees down. This is a magnified image of inside the lock here. Okay. So you're going to put the bobby pin in and you're going to twist. This one happens to go to the left. And here we go. I just felt it twist left. Now you can enter. Okay. Conversely, I'm going to lock it now. Here we go. And now it's locked. Just like that.